Hey guys, it's Intervention 302 here. My name's Kevin for those who don't know me personally or know my name. Anyways, we got springtime coming up. Wanted to get another pair of wheels. I met a new guy. He's actually quickly become one of my best friends. He's the owner of a small wheel company called Wheel Lab. He's been a great guy, and him and I did some talking. And we ended up placing this order for a new set of wheels. I know I've had a couple sets in my time, so I just wanted to shoot a video, test out the new GoPro that I bought, just to see what I got here. So let's open it up. I know it says they're from Weld, but what do we got? Well, I got classics. Again. So this set's a little bit different. My first set actually came off a 00 Cobra R. That was a really beat up set. They were pitted. They weren't polished perfectly. One of the barrels had a bend in them. It just wasn't the perfect set. And the upkeep was so incredibly difficult. So you might be able to see, I'm not sure how the camera is catching it, but this face is actually what they call brushed clear gloss, and the lip is polished. And I went with the gold ARP Hardware. I haven't seen too many Cobras with the gold hardware. I hope it, kind of works well on the gold, over the Sonic Blue. I think it will. I already got this box opened up as well, and I will show you real quick that I also went black on the barrel, and I did that because anybody who tries to clean these wheels, it is a pain in the butt. So I got a coated barrel and a coated face. The only polishing I'm gonna have to do is the lip, and that makes me very happy. And I wanted to thank you all who have followed me for a while on YouTube. I know I haven't posted much media. My car has actually been kind of down. I've been putting cams in it. And I got a new Whipple 2.9 crusher, Gen 4. My mechanic and I, we are making really good progress on the car, and it will be done soon. And I cannot wait to get these mounted up. Anyways, thanks guys. Bye.